Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant not responding on launch, and in this video I will show a couple of solutions, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to on Task Manager close all the tasks related to Riot Games, Valorant and Vanguard, and after that on the bottom right you should see your Riot Vanguard here and exit as well. And after that you just need to go to right click on the desktop and go to display settings. Make sure that you are on the monitor that you're playing your Valorant game here, and make sure that your basically scale and layout is this one also on recommended, and your display resolution is on recommended as well. And then the next thing what you need to do here, you need to click on graphic settings, and then you need to basically press browse here, and then you need to look for your Valorant files. So mine on my local disk C, program files, here should be Riot Games, then you need to press on Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and then it should be this little thing here. So we need to add here, and then press options, and select high performance here and press save. And after you do that, then the last thing what you can do here, you can go back on your local disk C, or other thing that you basically put your game here, and then you need to go to your Riot Games folder here, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, scroll down until you see Valorant Win64 shipping, right click on that, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that this option is on, disable full screen optimizations, and also run this program as an administrator. And make sure these two options are on, press apply, okay, and then try again. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.